Okay, and 是一个跟妈妈说是一个6寸手拍的夏威夷。跟妈妈说啊。
What do you have? Can you tell me what pizza? What kind of the pizza? What's the flavor? What? Just pizza? What's the flavor? 夏威夷 Hawaii 对不对 ？Yes or no? Huh? Cheese pizza? You wanted to make cheese pizza? Yes, that's great. Okay. Okay, I want to order one. I want to order one. 我要点一份。I want to order one.
跟妈妈说。
Yeah. What kind of the pizza do you have?
半份的。
啊
Onion.
Onion pizza. Okay, no problem.
And carrot pizza.
And what?
Carrot.
Carrot pizza. Oh, okay. Okay. I want to choose the onion.
Okay.
Yeah. Onion pizza. No problem. 好。
然后半份的千层棒。
千层棒。
对，半，然后证书1张。
证书。
对，就是我们完成之后会有颁发会颁证书。
Okay.
然后还有赠品。
And we have the toys. We have the toys later. In the end. Okay. Okay. So that's finished.
Yes.
Okay. That's all. That's all.
然后这样总共是399，跟妈妈讲。
300.
399。
Oh, okay. I will pay for you. Okay, more. More. I will give you 500. 500. You have to check for me.
Give me 200.
No more. That's my receipt. Yes, thank you. Thanks for your serve.